everyone, welcome to Yourpedia Campus Placement, and this particular video is of all this aspirant who are preparing for the campus placement interviews of Voltas Beko. It's a renowned company in India. Basically, it's a Tata Enterprise joint venture of Voltas Limited, which is renowned for its household appliances and refrigerators, washing machines, and a lot of things are there. So in this video, I'm going to make you aware about most important things about this company, management team, products, services, like mission, vision, history basically, and of course the generic HR questions, right? So let's get started, and please don't forget to download this documentation from Yourpedia panel and prepare it well with attending different HR sessions. So yes, starting with this, basically this is a joint venture between Voltas Limited, as it's a Tata Group enterprise, and it's a Turkish home appliances company, Voltas Beko, right? You can see here. So yes, this is Voltas partnered with Reckitt AS of Turkey in 2017 to create a 50-50 ratio joint venture, Voltas Beko, and it has been established in 1954. So by the years it is growing. This is basically mission and vision. This is very important part of your interview. They usually ask you that what is the mission and vision of this company? What do you know about that? So yes, for this Voltas Beko, this mission of this basically, of course, to give a good taste, and demands are ever evolving with their changing lifestyle. So they want to prioritize the convenience of their customers basically by designing different kind of home appliances along with the technology. And vision is basically to better and simplify the quality of life for their customers and globally through long-term stakeholders value creation. Then it comes to key milestone, how it has been grown by the years. 1954 में establish हुआ है सबसे पहले, then for 2017 में formation of Voltas Beko, Turkish उसके साथ, then brand launch of Voltas Beko 19 में Voltas का first manufacturing plant at Sanand गुजरात में start हुआ है, ठीक है, and then this in 2024 exports to neighboring countries from its Indian plant. Talking about the management team, you need to be aware who is the chairman of Voltas Limited. This is Mr. Noel N. Tata, and this is basically Mr. Pardeep Bakshi, managing director and CEO. Chief Executive Officer of Voltas Beko is Mr. Jayant Balan. So ये आपको basically पता होना चाहिए. Board of Directors, just you can read it out that what is this quality of their organization. This is the head office basically in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and these are the products: refrigerator, microwaves, washing machine, dishwashers, right? Refrigerators are basically frost-free double door refrigerator, and I can say washing machines, dishwashers. As per the technology, they have been changed the designs and they have been include all these things basically. Main competitors in India, ये आपको जरूर पता होना चाहिए, that is LG Electronics India, ठीक है, and then Samsung India, then Whirlpool India, Godrej Appliances जो बहुत ज़्यादा old है and of course ये बहुत ज़्यादा renowned भी है, IFB Industries here India, Boschers and Siemens BSH household appliances. So these are the main competitors. Now उसकी competitive advantage क्या है Voltas Beko की? Tata trust and reliability, localized innovation है of course, and affordable smart appliances हैं कि along with the technological blend, it is giving you smart appliances which is affordable as well. Expanding service network and make in India manufacturing. It is making successful in this make in India. Now this is the market share. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए basically. This is इसके ये products हैं, इनका इतना ज़्यादा share है market position में. Like जो dishwashers हैं among top 3 in India basically. And सबसे ज़्यादा है washing machines का, competing in both top load and front load. Financial performance, you can have a look to this, that what is the asset of revenue, profitability, PBT of rupees 848 crore for the 9th month, ठीक है, and substantial rise from rupees 312 crore in the corresponding period of the previous year. So basically इसका profit as per this इसके expansion increase होता जाता है. There's a market outlook and how it is contributing in Indian GDP. ये बहुत important question है, ये like important HR question है. वो पूछते हैं कि okay, now Voltas Beko is a group of Tata Enterprise, so how it is contributing to Indian GDP, Indian economic system and initiative. सो जो सनन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है गुजरात में, दैट इज प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी ऑफ 2.5 मिलियन अप्लायंसेस एंड जॉइंट वेंचर है दैट हैज बीन इन्वेस्टेड इन ₹1000 करोड़ इन इंडिया एंड इसका बेसिकली डायरेक्ट जॉब्स ही देता है, ओवर 1500 डायरेक्ट जॉब्स ऑलरेडी दे चुका है, राइट। Recent awards and recognition: Golden Peacock Award for Eco Innovations, India's most trusted brand in home appliances; Excellence in Manufacturing and Red Dot Design Award for Product Design, Beko Smart Appliances. What are the corporate social responsibilities? So yes, this is sustainability, community welfare, ethical business practices, environmental sustainability they have gone through, ठीक है, जिन लाइक वोल्टास ने बेसिकली इस पे काम किया है। देन इट कम्स टू एनर्जी एफिशिएंसीज, टेक्नोलॉजी, इको फ्रेंडली रेफ्रिजरेशंस, वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एंड रिसाइकलिंग, ठीक है, सपोर्टिंग एजुकेशनल स्किल डेवलपमेंट, बेसिकली हेल्थ केयर, कम्युनिटी वेलबींग में इसने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, वुमेन इन लीडरशिप प्रोग्राम, सपोर्ट फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, ठीक है। So yes, these are the tips how to prepare for the interview. You need to be prepare this document first of all. You need to be go through all the information related to this company, the managing team, basically mission, vision, products, services, competitors, awards. These all things you need to be prepared. Second, you should have a good confidence level. You should have good communication skills. About communication skills, let me tell you one thing very important, guys. If you are going for the campus placement, please use more in English, less in Hindi, ठीक है, because they usually prefer you need to be speak English for the campus placement. I'm just telling you, so don't go for that. Okay, I do understand there is no as such bar of language, you can prepare it well, but you should have a good knowledge of this organization. Very important question: why you should join or why you want to be go with the Voltas Beko as an engineer? As an engineer, why do you want to join as a home appliances company? This is technology, sustainability and people development. टाटा ग्रुप की वैल्यूज हैं जिसमें एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स आ जाते हैं, एम्प्लॉय वेलफेयर है, लॉन्ग टर्म करियर डेवलपमेंट्स हैं, कटिंग एज इनोवेशन है, एआई आईओटी पे वो काम कर रहा है, सस्टेनेबल मटेरियल्स पे काम कर रहा है, देन क्रॉस कल्चरल एक्सपोजर है, कोलैबोरेशन विद टीम, ओपन टू डोर इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड देन रोबस्ट ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स आर आल्सो देयर, ठीक है। ये है एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपनी की न्यूज इन 2024। सो बेसिकली रिकॉर्ड मार्केट शेयर ग्रोथ, ठीक है, 30% इंक्रीज इन मार्केट शेयर, न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्चेस हुए इसके, हाइजीन प्लस सीरीज ऑफ डिश वॉशर्स ऑफ यूवी डिसइंफेक्शन एंड वाटर रिसाइकलिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज, स्ट्रेटेजिक एक्सपेंशन प्लान जो सनन प्लांट है गुजरात में, उसका वर्थ ₹500 करोड़ हैज बीन अनाउंस्ड टू रैंप अप द प्रोडक्शन कैपेसिटी। Okay, so these are the important HR questions which you must prepare. First of all, starting with your introduction, give a brief introduction of yours, then talking about your hobbies, interest, strength, weakness, why do you want to join Voltas Beko, what do you know about this, what are its products and services, right, what are its current projects or your current things they are working on, why this is in news, okay, most challenging technical problem you have solved, okay, and basically describe a time when you had to work as a part of diverse team, what was your role, एंड आप डेडलाइंस को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे, मल्टीपल इंजीनियरिंग टास्क को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे। ऑफ कोर्स आपके कोई सजेशंस हैं प्रोडक्ट और प्रोसेस को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए या कभी थे, लॉन्ग टर्म करियर गोल्स क्या हैं आपके, हाउ डज वोल्टास बेको फिट इनटू देम, ठीक है, आप उसके साथ अपना लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग कैसे देखते हो, एंड व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स इन कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल प्रोडक्ट्स, ठीक है, हाउ डू यू हैंडल डिसएग्रीमेंट विद योर कलीग, prioritize safety and compliance in your engineering practices, and how to ensure your work contributes to the sustainability. What is your understanding of cross-functional collaboration in an organization like us? So yes, these are the important HR questions for this which you need to be prepared. So more or less guys, we have covered everything related to Voltas Beko, about the management team, products, services, HR questions and whatnot. Now it's your task to prepare the answers and practice with those HR sessions with your Yourpedia mentors. You can download this documentation from your Yourpedia panel, can have a revision of that and practice it well. So all the very best, good luck.